Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by gathering the essentials: small screwdrivers, 0, 5 mm Allen, lens cloth, compressed air, and a soft mat. Lay the binoculars face down and remove objective and eyepiece caps. Make a pencil alignment mark across the seam so you can reassemble precisely. Next, loosen retention screws just enough to free the housing. Don't force parts. Once done, lift the outer shell gently and keep screws organized in one tray so nothing gets lost. You now address the lens cell and prism area. Unscrew the cell ring slowly and lift the lens straight out. Tilting will scratch coatings. Inspect the BA-K4 or BK7 prisms for chips and misalignment. If prisms shifted, gently adjust their supports and retention mounting screws in small increments. Use compressed air first, then a microfiber cloth to remove dust. Avoid solvents unless necessary. As you work, check focus travel. Measure spacing and shim with 1/4 to 1 mm shim. You finish by reseating lenses and prisms carefully, then torque screws evenly in a cross pattern so components remain square. Once assembled, test collimation on a distant target at 10 to 20 meters. Make small adjustments to prism mounts or add 0.51 mm shims until images merge. Make sure focus is smooth through the whole range. If a persistent double image or severe tilt remains, stop, verify prism orientation and mount integrity, and consider professional repair rather than forcing further tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.